This 2026 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 26BHX is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 30 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleeps 8, Skylight, air conditioning, spare tire kit, refrigerator, leveling jacks, microwave, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, Slideout, stovetop burner, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 26BHX is 6,505 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.